I think there are huge benefits with the OnePlanet platform, particularly looking at this idea of interconnectedness, but actually seeing it visually really makes the whole thing come to life.
So really excited today to be running a workshop with Ecocity Builders and ICLEI and a number of their participant cities, looking at how we can develop nature-based solutions to bring more nature into a city, but also to address other challenges they have in their cities. And we're going to be using the OnePlanet platform throughout the day to give a tool that people can use throughout the workshop, throw down ideas, collaborate between each other. But then at the end of the day, we'll have a toolkit that they can take with them. And actually we'll be able to build on that toolkit over time, building in more case studies, more guidance, and then offer that to all of the networks to use. I mentioned we've got 3 sessions, and then at the end your 3 judges will be delivering their verdict on your bakes.
I've had a great day today here at Ecocity Builders as a judge. This was my first time really seeing the OnePlanet platform in action. I got a glimpse of it yesterday in Lambeth at a community garden networking event. So to come here today to see its practical application excites me a lot.
There's so much you can take from the event, but probably the biggest thing that stood out to me was thinking about how these processes can be replicable. So looking at how you can take certain steps, and although each cultural context is going to be so different, fundamentally having those overarching themes and knowing how to apply them can be really effective. People in the space of climate action talk a lot about co-benefits, health, cost, benefit analysis, all of that, but actually seeing how it all links can be really powerful for business cases and actually making it all come to life. I must say, as being part of Muffinton Group and winning the exercise, I think that probably was the highlight.